If you find yourself with a live leak that needs immediate repair, use Inumar's Stop It Pipe Repair system. Make sure you start with a clean surface on the damaged pipe by sanding down the affected area as best as possible. This entire process can be done with a live leak, as you can see right here in the video. The first step is applying the epoxy stick called Fix Sticks. You will want to mold it in your hands and make it pliable before you can apply it to the live leak. Stop It Pipe Repair system can withstand a maximum pressure of 400 psi and temperatures of 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The next step is to wet the fiberglass wrap and tightly wrap it around the leak. In order to activate the resins in the tape, make sure you are wrapping it as tightly as possible, applying water. Once you finish applying the wrap, continue to activate the resins by rubbing the pipe with your hands. This will create a rock-hard surface. There is up to a 3 to 5 minute set time with a complete curing time of approximately 30 minutes. Stop It Pipe Repair system is perfect for plugging leaks, filling cracks, complex voids, and filling offsets at couplings and fittings.